I'm here at the Shanghai Toy Expo. I'm here with Felicia. Felicia, could you tell me something about your company?
Weifang Yongjian Kite manufacturer.
Okay, and where is your factory located?
Shandong Weifang.
Oh, okay, very interesting. And how big is this factory? Like how many does it employ?
For 1996.
Oh, okay, so nearly like 20, 25, 29 years of experience. It's very long coming.
Yeah.
What is the age range does your kites go for? How old is it for children of?
Oh yes, we have 4 children and 4 adults.
Okay, so like for like beginners and also for very like professional kite flyers as well.
Yeah.
Okay, so tell me about your factory. What certifications do you have with your factory?
For example, ENT and CPC and SGS and BACI we do have.
Okay, very good. So you can, and what is your major markets in the world?
About America and Europe, it's very big.
Okay, okay. And you can also, I know, produce like 2 million sets in a year, which is that's a massive production quantity. It's amazing. So I'm sure that people will be very excited to see. What is your new product that you can have for?
Yeah, we have lots of new design, and we can do our design, and we have do lots of my customer design.
Yes, I see. There's like loads of different shapes and different like images on these kites, so you can accept orders from the client themselves for specific designs. Is it?
Yeah. This diamond kite and spherical kite is very popular in Europe and America.
I heard that you have also in Aldi and Lidl in Europe. They are also already stocking it.
Yeah.
That's very interesting. So you have your 3D kites, which is you have
3D kite. Yeah, this is 3D kite. Is my customer do design.
So these are they have the shape of the animal, and like it's just all these different designs you can have, and you can make specific orders for your own designs, and that's amazing for fit the needs you want, and it's great. So tell me, I see you have these very sporty looking kites here for like they're very professional kites.
Yeah, for art it's for art, sport kite, and we can do sport kite.
So yeah, this is very like sport kites. If we look over here, there's a very much more. If you are even very talented, if you get very talented with your kites, you can wear these stunt kites that you can do extra tricks with. And if you're very professional, have more stunts and more strong kites to last.
Yeah.
So if I wanted to buy one of these products for myself, where could I contact you?
This is my website.
Okay. So this is yongjiankite.com, and here is here's yongjiankite.com for any of your orders and your specialized orders for your own designs. It's perfect. So thank you very much. I'm very happy to talk to you. That's been very kind.
Thank you.